talking about to bring about the challenge. And with this, I would like to inform the forum that Pakistan has also initiated the National Clean Air Policy this year, which provides a framework for improving air quality. We would be happy to change it at this forum at the working level with all members to reduce the impacts of air pollution that is now transforming the life experiences and the morbidity and mortality of all citizens in this region, especially in the winter months when we now have something called a fifth season called smog. The forum may also like to explore opportunities for capacity building and knowledge sharing, which some members have already spoken about, by engaging leaders in the fields of environment and climate change and establishing networks of universities, think tanks, and relevant public sector stakeholders. Thirdly, the forum may also develop a regional framework for ecosystem restoration, devise joint regional initiative, and explore ways and means for mobilizing financial resources for their implementation. As you know, this is vital to actually attaining goals, and this could lead towards broader ambitions, towards realizing broader ambitions on tackling our region's egregious biodiversity loss. We would also like to the forum to consider the development of regional common market mechanisms under the auspices of the SPO, which could lead to the creation of emissions.